Owning the ultra-mobile XPS 13 won't limit your office productivity. We have specially designed accessories to help you expand your working environment and have the comfort one would expect from a desktop or all-in-one experience. When you connect your XPS 13 to the Dell Docking Station, you can hook up a 4K monitor as well as 2 additional monitors and 5 other peripheral devices such as your wireless keyboard and mouse, external hard drive, or audio device. You can hook up our Dell UltraSharp 32-inch Ultra HD monitor and get 4K 2K resolution, which is 4 times the resolution of Full HD to see those fine details in your photos and videos. Rounding out the docking experience, we offer our Dell wireless keyboard and mouse for a clutter-free work environment. The keyboard is slim but functional with scissor chiclet-style keys and an integrated number pad. The mouse has LED precision tracking with Windows gestures.
Meet Sarah, a graphic designer that just landed her dream job. She's been assigned her first project and is struggling to work on her tiny laptop with limited ports. Knowing she needs to update her setup to get any work done, she grabs not 1, not 2, but 3 monitors. Using Plugable's triple display docking station, Sarah is able to connect 3 displays and charge her laptop all at the same time. With her new dock, she also gets an extra USB-C port, 4 USB 3 ports, a gigabit Ethernet port, and headphone and microphone jacks all through a single USB-C cable. Designed for laptops and tablets with a USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 port. With Plugable's triple 4K display docking station, Sarah is ready to tackle her new workflow with her revolutionized workspace.
The Corsair TBT100 Thunderbolt 3 dock allows you to connect a wealth of devices to your Mac or PC, boasting up to 40 gigabits per second of bandwidth while efficiently charging your computer with smart charging technology. The front of the TBT100 features a single USB-C 10 gigabit per second port, a single SD card slot which supports UHS 2, and a 3.5mm audio combo jack. The rear of the TBT100 features a secure lock, power in, a Thunderbolt 3 port, dual HDMI 2.0 ports with support for up to 4K 60Hz video, a second USB-C 10 gigabit per second port, a gigabit Ethernet port, and dual USB-A 5 gigabit per second ports. To get started with the TBT100, connect the included power supply to the dock and plug it into the wall for power. Now, connect your devices to the TBT100. Connect the TBT100 to an available Thunderbolt 3 port on your Mac or PC using the included Thunderbolt 3 cable. If you need to change the power state of the TBT100, push and hold the power button for 3 seconds. To enable high-power USB support and easily eject all storage devices connected to the TBT100, download and install the free Corsair Thunderbolt dock utility. And that's it, all your devices are just a cable away with the Corsair TBT100 Thunderbolt 3 dock. For more information about our lineup of Thunderbolt products, check out corsair.com/Thunderbolt. Thanks for watching.
Coming up, I'll take you on a tour of the new Surface Dock, including key aspects of its design, what you can connect to it, and how you can use it with multiple monitors. With the new Surface Dock, we wanted to create a single dock that can be used across the largest range of Surface devices. I happen to be docked with a Surface Pro 4 here, but it works great with the Surface Book, as well as the Surface Pro 3. Surface Dock features Microsoft's own Magnetic Surface Connect docking interface. This is a full-featured dock. One cable connects everything, and you don't have to connect a second cable that would occupy a USB port. In fact, this one cable replaces all of these. Now let's look more closely at the design. The first thing you will notice when you pick up a Surface Dock is how solid it feels. It's designed for use while you're at your desk. Its weight, designed with a soft, high-friction rubber foot, prevent the Surface Dock from sliding around, even if you were to accidentally pull the Surface from the dock cable. Now taking a closer look at the cable, what's unique about the cable is the size and flexibility. It was a 2-year journey to design a whole new cable system that was both thin and flexible. It's able to carry audio, video, Ethernet, and high-speed data, and up to 60 watts of power. Because it's flexible, it doesn't get in the way when your Surface is docked. You can use your Surface in any position. If we take a look around at what's available on the dock, the first thing you might notice is we now have 4 high-speed USB 3.0 ports for your Surface, with 2 on the front and 2 on the back. This allows data transfers up to 5 gigabits per second and provides up to 7.5 watts power on each port. As you'd expect, there's also a gigabit Ethernet port, a 3.5 millimeter stereo output jack, and a security lock slot to prevent theft. The new Surface Dock also adds another mini display port in order to support 2 external displays without the need to daisy chain. These can be connected directly to 2 HD displays, 1 4K display at 60 Hz, or 2 4K displays running at up to 30 Hz each, which makes it easier for you to connect 2 monitors. This covers most workplace scenarios today. And with this much screen real estate, you can now get more done. For best performance, we recommend monitors with native DisplayPort inputs. If you're using monitors with HDMI or DVI inputs, then we recommend using active adapters. A list of supported DisplayPort monitors and adapters can be found at the link below. So that's the new Surface Dock. Tell us what you think so we can continue to give you the best docking experience. Also keep checking back for more demo benches on the Surface design and management. Thanks for watching.